Hello, hello, hello. Okay, I'm in my kitchen and it looks a mess. But we're renovating, so don't judge me. I'm here because there is something very interesting that is trending. And it's about Kate. Kate seemingly reached out for help at an event in December of 2023. Now, it was posted on December 14th, 2023, and I'm going to upload it here. But I'm going to read you what the person said, just so we can start this. Let me just read it really quick. The person said, and the person is Darren Brown. Unbelievable at the Royal Variety. Both were very, very lovely. And, okay, let me start over. I don't want to add. Unbelievable at the Royal Variety. Both were very lovely and terrific at the meet and greet. Incidentally, when she shook hands with me, she pressed a tiny piece of folded paper into my palm. I looked at it later. It just had one word written inside. Help. And it's written in all caps. Hashtag Dame Edna. Now, some people say that's a hashtag meaning for like Princess Diana. I'm not sure, but I just find it very strange that it was posted December 14th, 2023. And all of this stuff happened, I believe, Christmas Eve or Christmas Day, 2023. So, we're going to take a look. Did Kate, in fact, press that note in his hand? Is this true? Is this true? I'm going to say yes. A screaming from the rooftops, yes. This speaks to happiness at home, harmony, and stability. This is the happy family. And she putting that note in his hand was like, help my family. Now, this is strange. I'm going to say it's strange. I never thought I would be in my kitchen, on the fly, hair wet, doing an emergency read. But here it is. And I'm trying to make sure you can see this. Okay, let me know what you want to know in the comments. We'll revisit. I'm speechless. Bye.